Aaron from UiTM Dengkil, Foundation of Engineering, and I am here to teach you about 3 basic things you can do in PowerPoint. So the scenario here is some of your friend that might be might be his first time doing PowerPoint. So there are actually some basic things you can do for a beginner in PowerPoint. There are 3 things that I'm about to teach you today. There is fill in shape, flying in, and zoom effect. Only 3 things that I can teach you about basic things in PowerPoint. So the first one, fill in shape. So the first step is you need to choose any shape from PowerPoint. For example, I am here about to choose the rectangle one. So you fill in one shape here. So next you can choose any shape you want and prefer for this box. For example, I'm about to change it to bigger or smaller. Any change of shape you want to do. So for this one, I'm about to fill in all of this page with this shape. So I'm about to copy and paste all over this page. Alright, done. So for the next step, go back to shape, and you could go back to the shape, and then you choose the square one, but for this time you need to fill the whole page like that. Okay, for the next step, right click the shape and choose send to back. Alright, so your page must be look like this. They have a bunch of the shape you put earlier in front of the big shape. Okay, so now drag all of the page, and then it make sure all of the shape is selected. So now go to the shape format. Now choose the merge shapes, these 2 logo here, and choose subtract, and your picture must supposed to be look like this. Okay, now right click the shape and go to the format shape, and you're going to be in this option. So in this option, go to the fill option, choose the color, any type of color do you want. So for this one, I'm going to choose the black blue. Alright, done. So now after that, we go to the effect, the second one. So we go to the shadow, select presets, and choose the first option, bottom right. Okay, now we complete the first step. Okay, now we're gonna choose any type of picture. After we insert, we right click the picture and we choose send to back. So the picture will look like this. Complete. So this is your first step to do fill in shape. Okay, so for the second basic thing you can do is for the transition flying in. Okay, so the first step you need to do, choose any picture do you want. So this, make sure the page is filled with the picture. Fill it up, all the white spot. Okay. So now right click the picture and go to the format picture. after you choose the format picture, choose the picture logo. Choose the picture logo and go to picture color. And click on presets and choose any type of temperature do you want. So this choose for not the right one, much darker one. Okay, so done. So for this part, okay, for the next step, go to insert, shape, choose the rectangular shape and fill the spot. Like that. Okay, so now change the color to darker color. For example, I'm going to choose gray. Right click the shape, go to format shape, and then choose fill and transparency. You've set it up until it look somewhere 40, about 40. Yes, about 40 to 45 is good enough. So now go to the text box, insert text box, now for this one I'm going to choose Arial black font. Arial black font, and set up the size of the font to 60. Okay, yes. And I also gonna change the color to somewhat yellow. Yes. Set in the middle. So now copy the page, duplicate. Okay. So go back to the page one. Select this text and drag it out. Drag it out of the slide. Like that. Okay. So it's supposed to be look like this. But make sure it's in the first page. Alright. So now we go to the second page. Select transitions. And then we choose move. So it's supposed to look like this. Okay, for the final step, I'm gonna do a zoom effect. So for this one, the same thing. Choose any picture you want. Okay, now fill the page with the picture. And then go back to the insert, choose text box and fill it in. So for this one I'm going to choose Arial black font and size 60. So for now, duplicate the slide second slide, pick the text and drag it out. And then right click the picture, select the option crop, and you see this black bar over here. Resize the picture, make sure it's bigger than the black bar. Then centralize it. Okay, done. Now back to insert, choose any shape. For this one I'm going to choose oval, pick one side, okay, and then choose fill, right click the shape, choose fill and select no fill, and then select outline, bolded it, choose the weight option, and for this one I'm going to choose 4.5, and the color of outline I'm going to choose white. And then duplicate it. So for the next step, go to insert back, select icons, click insert. Okay, now we have one different kind of shape. Fill in on one of the picture. Done. So for the next step, so I'm just gonna leave it here. You can fill it with any information you want. And for the next step, for the transition one, go to the second page, click insert. No, I mean transitions. Go to transitions and then select off. But the duration I'm going to choose 3.45. Done. And then we proceed. So your slide gonna look like this. Yes. So now we complete 3 basic things you can do in PowerPoint. I hope this video helped you today, and anytime that you want to watch it again, you can find this video again after this. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.